Dear students, I am Mr. Kamal Singh from BDM Public School. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 3, Two Stories of Flight, and first part is His First Flight, written by Lem O'Flaherty. In this lesson, there is a young seagull who had so many doubts and hesitation and fear in his mind about his flight. He thought that his wings would not support him. So every time when he took few steps about flying, he runs back every time. Now I am going to explain hard words. First word is lees. Its meaning is rock, यानी के चट्टान. सेकेंड मस्टर अप मीन्स टू कलेक्ट, जुटाना, यानी कि वो अपना साहस नहीं जुटा पाया. प्लंग मीन्स टू डिप, गोता लगाना. अपब्रेडिंग मीन्स चिरिपिंग, चहचहाना. स्किम मीन्स टू स्विम, यानी कि तैरना. टॉन्टिंग मीन्स मेकिंग फन, मजाक बनाना. प्रीनिंग मीन्स क्लीनिंग, जैसे कोई बर्ड अपने विंग्स को क्लीन करता है, दैट इज प्रीनिंग. स्क्रैप्ड मीन्स रब्ड, रगड़ना, यानी कि जब कोई पक्षी अपनी चोंच को किसी पत्थर वगैरह पे हार्ड सरफेस पे रब करता है, रगड़ता है. वेट मीन्स टू शार्प, पैना करना, जैसे कि कोई पक्षी अपनी चोंच को पैना करता है. कर्वेटिंग मीन्स जंपिंग फॉरवर्ड, यानी कि जब कोई उड़ते हुए आगे को जंप करता है. बैंकिंग मीन्स स्लेंटिंग मीन्स टू फ्लाई स्लेंटिंगली, तिरछे रूप से उड़ना. रिजिज मीन्स बिग पीसीज ऑफ स्टोन्स, यानी कि जो समुद्र में बहुत सारे यानी कि पीस ऑफ स्टोन्स पड़े थे, उनके लिए यहाँ पे रिजिज वर्ड यूज़ किया गया है. नाउ गेट रेडी फॉर बुक रीडिंग. द यंग seagull was alone on his leash. His two brothers and sisters had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the leash and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran back to the little hole under the leash where he slept at night. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his, ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. His father and mother had come around, calling him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him stay on his leash unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. It means the author wants to say that there was a young seagull on a rock. His two little brothers and sister fly away the day before, but he was afraid to take a flight. He thought that his wings would not support him, and when he tried to take some steps to fly, every time he ran back to the hole of his leash and slept there the whole day. In this way, his mother and father came to calling him, and they threatened him to let him alone on the leash to stay. उन्होंने बोला कि उसको लीज पर भूखा मरने के लिए अकेला छोड़ देंगे, until and unless he would fly, कि जब तक वो यदि नहीं उड़ेगा तो उसको वहाँ पर भूखा मरने के लिए छोड़ देंगे. But ही कुड नॉट डू एनीथिंग टू सेव हिज लाइफ, लेकिन वो कुछ नहीं कर सका. दैट वॉज 24 hours ago. Since then nobody came near him. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sisters, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it. Herring का मीन्स होता है a kind of fish. To devour means निगलना. Swallow. Standing on a rock while his parents circled around, raising a proud crackle, and all the morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. It means the author want to say that he was alone on the rock from 24 hours. Nobody came there to support him. He saw that his two brothers and sister were flying in the sky, and his mother and father were perfecting them the art of flying, like as diving for fish, skimming on the wave. He saw that his younger brother caught his first herring fish and he swallowed it, यानी उसने पहली मछली को पकड़ा और उसे निगल गया. His parents applaud him by crackling. उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसको कैकल करके उसे यानी उसकी प्रशंसा की, उसे प्रेज किया. He saw that his family members walked on the opposite rock and they were making fun of his cowardice, यानी उसकी कायरता की वो मजाक बना रहे थे. Next, the sun was now ascending the sky, blazing on his leaves that faced the south. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. He stepped slowly out to the brink of the leaves, and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other, and pretended to be falling asleep. Still they took no notice of him. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau dozing, with their heads sunk into their necks. His father was preening the feathers on his white back. Only his mother was looking at him. She was standing on a little high hump on the plateau, her white breast thrust forward. Now and again she tore a piece of fish that lay at her feet, and then scraped each side of her beak on the rock. The sight of the food maddened him. How he loved to tear food that way, scraping his beak now and again to wet it. Now the young seagull felt heat because the sun was rising brightly on the rock, and he did not eat anything from the last nightfall. In this way he became uneasy. He saw that his brothers and sisters were lying on the opposite rock, and they were sleeping, hiding their heads in their necks. On the other hand, his father was cleaning his white feathers, and his mother was tearing a piece of fish which was lying on the rock between her legs. He was maddened by the sight of the food. He loved it very much. He was very fond of eating fish. He saw that her mother was rubbing his beak on the rock. He was very fond of eating fish and scraping his beak. यानी उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता था इस तरह से मछली खाना और अपनी चोंच को पैना करना, वो बहुत पसंद करता था. नेक्स्ट, गा 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 ही क्राइड, begging her to bring him some food. Ga ko a, she screamed back derisively. Derisively means making fun, मजाक करते हुए. But he kept calling plaintively and after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. His mother had picked up a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. He leaned about eagerly, tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. He begged, he begged her mother to give him some food by calling ga ga ga. Her mother screamed back, making fun, but he was complaining again and again. After some time, her mother flew across the sea by picking a piece of fish in her beak. When, when she was near him and the food was in the reach of his beak, she stopped, she stopped her wings and she stood motionless. He was surprised why she was not coming nearer. उसे लगा कि वो क्यों नहीं आ रही है उसके पास. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. With a loud scream, he fell outwards and downwards into space. Then a monstrous terror seized him. Seized means caught. भय ने उसे पकड़ लिया. Monstrous means very big. बहुत बड़े भय ने उसे पकड़ लिया. And his heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it only lasted a minute. The next moment he felt his wings spread outwards, the wind rushing against his breast, feathers, then under his stomach and against his wings. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. When the seagull saw the piece of fish in the beak of his mother, he became mad by the sight of fear, and he dived at the fish without thinking anything. And he fell outwards and downwards in the space. He opened his wings and he began to fly high in the sky. Now he was not afraid. He had no fear and hesitation. He was flying without any problem. He felt that the wind was rushing through his wings, stomach and breast. Next, he was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. Dizzy means chakkar aana. Then he flapped his wings once and he soared upwards. Ga 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 ko a. His mother soared past him, her wings making a loud noise. He answered her with another scream. Then his father flew over him, screaming. He saw his two brothers and sisters flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. Now the seagull flapped his wings once and he was flying high in the sky. His brothers and sisters, mother and father, flew over him, applauding him, and they were crying, ga ga ga. They tried to inspire him. His two brothers and sisters were flying, jumping forward and in a slanting way and diving over him. 2 मिनट बाद भर दूंगा. सब कुछ करा दो नाश. समझ नहीं आती जरा सी बात. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly, and commanded himself to dive and soar and curve, striking shrilly. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly, and commanded himself to dive and soar and curve, striking shrilly. Now he had no fear and hesitation. He forgot that he did not know how to fly, and he was commanding himself to soar high in the air and to fly in a curve, and he was crying loudly. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. He saw a vast green sea beneath him, with little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and caught amusedly. Now he was flying over the sea, and he saw a vast means very big. He saw a very large expanse of sea under him, and he saw there were many big stones floating in the water. He turned his beak this way and that way, and he was caught. He was cawing amusedly, यानी कि he was crying happily. His parents and his brothers and sisters had landed on this sea, flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. His legs sank into it. He screamed with fright and attempt to rise again, flapping his wings. But he was tired and weak with his hunger, and he could not rise. Exhausted by the strange exercise, his feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it, and he sank no further. He was floating on it, and around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish. He had made his first flight. Now his family members, his two brothers, sister, and his mother and father landed on the sea ahead of him. They were calling him shrilly. उसे बुला रहे थे समुद्र पे बैठने के लिए. He tried to drop his legs to stand on the water, but his legs sank into it. उसने अपनी टांगों को खोला, लेकिन पानी पे खड़ा होने के लिए, लेकिन वो पानी में डूब गई. So he afraid. He was afraid much, and he tried to raise again. He wanted to fly again, but he could not do so because he was very exhausted. He was tired and hungry. Now his feet sank into the water, and his belly touched the sea water, but he was not sinking now. He was floating on the sea water, and his family members were praising and cackling to him, and their beaks were offering him some pieces of dogfish. इस लेसन में इतना ही. लेसन समाप्त हुआ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपसे क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.